Hello everyone, in this lesson we'll talk about how to form the present progressive tense. This tense helps us describe actions happening right now or around the current time. So let's go step by step through the structure and spelling rules to make sure we get it right. The structure of the present progressive or present continuous is simple, but has a few parts. Here's how we form it. The structure is subject plus am, is or are, and verb plus ing. For example, we say, I am playing, he is working, they are learning. Each subject has a matching form of the verb to be. I am, he is, she is, and it is. And for we, you, and they, we say are. We are, you are, and they are. So this helps the sentence flow and match the subject properly. To make the present progressive, we also need to add ing to the main verb, but there are some spelling rules we should keep in mind to make sure we add ing correctly. Let's go through the main rules one by one. Regular verbs. For most verbs, just add ing to the base form. Easy. Play, playing. Read, reading. Jump, jumping. Verbs ending in silent E. If a verb ends with a silent E, drop the E before adding ing. This keeps the word smooth and natural. Make, making. Write, writing. Dance, dancing. One-syllable verbs with consonant vowel consonant pattern or CVC pattern. For one-syllable verbs with a consonant vowel consonant ending, double the final consonant before adding ing. This keeps the short vowel sound the same. Run, running, with doubled N. So, r, a, n. R is a consonant, and a is a vowel, and n is a consonant again, so we have a CVC pattern and it is only one syllable, so we double the last letter, which is N. So we write R-U-N-N, I-N-G. Or here's another example. Sit, sitting. Swim, swimming. Two-syllable verbs with stress on the second syllable. For two-syllable verbs with the stress on the second syllable, double the last consonant before adding ing. Begin, beginning. Admit, admitting. Forget, forgetting. So, as you can see, we have a two-syllable verb and the last syllable is running a CVC pattern. So, and the stress is also on the second syllable, begin. Because of that, we double the last letter in begin, which is N. We write it 2 times. All right, so we write it twice, and the final result is beginning, admitting with double T, forgetting with double T again. For verbs that end in IE, change the IE to Y before adding the ing. This prevents awkward spelling, like the word lie, lying, die, dying. Verbs ending in Y. For verbs ending in Y, just add ing as usual. No changes are needed. Play, playing. Enjoy, enjoying. Now let's look at some common mistakes people make when forming the present progressive. Avoiding these will help keep your sentences smooth and correct. Forgetting the verb to be. The present progressive always needs am, is, or are in front of the main verb. Without it, the sentence is incomplete. So it's incorrect to say, I going to the store. The correct version is I am going to the store. Not doubling the consonant when needed. If you remember, I told you to double the consonant for one-syllable CVC pattern verbs. and two-syllable verbs when stress is on the second syllable and they again follow the CVC pattern. So it's incorrect to write he is swimming like so. You should write it like this way. He is swimming with double M. Another common mistake is keeping the final E. Always drop the silent E for verbs ending in E. So do not write she is making a cake, the word making like so. Alright, write it like this way. Right? She's making without any E letters. Alright, so she is making a cake. Incorrectly changing IE to Y. Only change IE to Y when adding ING. Alright, so it's incorrect to write dying like so. Do not write he is D-I-E-I-N-G. No, write it like this way. He is dying with Y. So that's how we form the present progressive. We start with the subject, then add am, is, or are, and finish with the main verb plus ing. By following these simple rules that I told you and avoiding common mistakes, you'll be able to talk about actions happening right now with confidence. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.